respected honor, teachers and my all fellows present here. Today we gather here to commemorate a significant day in the history of Pakistan, the day of immense pride and glory for our nation. On this day, Pakistan has conducted successful nuclear tests on May of 28, 1998. This is the day that symbolizes Pakistan, sovereignty and the security of its people. Shomit Takbeer hold a special place in every Pakistani heart because this is the day when Pakistan joins the prestigious League of Nuclear Armed Countries and becoming the first Muslim nuclear country. My honor, the road to Yom Takbeer was never an easy task, but the immense odds were against us, and our scientists worked very hard and worked tirelessly to ensure that Pakistan should stand tall and secure. It is very important to recognize the importance of nuclear weapons for a country like Pakistan. Pakistan, the possession of nuclear credibility has played a key role in maintaining the peace in this region. Nuclear weapon is not a key to aggression, but it is a tool that rather means any potential aggression against our beloved country. My honor, the road to Yom Takbeer was not easy. We faced number of challenges and we faced external pressure. My honor, today we are suffering from political and economical crisis. And as we know that the strength of a nation relies on a unity of it, it does not rely on any weapon. So we should work together and overcome from this trouble and make a Pakistan where justice prevails, where peace prevails, and where prosperity prevails. My honor, at the end, I want to say that Pakistan, who is made on the name of La ilaha illallah, no one dared to make it harm. And today we should work for its brighter future, for upcoming nation and for the next generation. Let us pay tribute to the heroes and the scientists and researchers and engineers who were involved in this greatest achievement of all time. Thanks for listening. Pakistan Zindabad.